Hey, this is effectsfreak here for my second video tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cool water reflection effect. It basically looks like this. Really cool. It can be used best for backgrounds or actual water reflections. So the first thing we're going to do is go into a new composition. I'm setting mine to 720 by 480 and about 6 seconds long. Then for my background, I'm going to use this fog animation that I bought off of videocopilot.net. Then I'm going to set that to a 3D layer. And I'm going to go to Layer, New Light. We're going to make sure the light type is set to spot and the color is a deep blue. Click OK. Now as you can see that the screen is too dark, so we're going to move the light back in Z-space. Then go to the light options and increase the intensity of the light to about 200. Looks pretty good. Then we're going to add a new white solid and make sure it's set to the comp size and click OK. The next part is just taking the pen tool and drawing these really squiggly masks around the entire solid. If you should try to make this as random as possible, otherwise the effect won't look as good. So I'm going to make about 3. The next thing you want to do is go to Effect, Distort, Turbulent Displace. Increase the amount to about 300. And then lower the size to about 40. So we get this really nice squiggly like look. Then we're going to make sure we're on the first frame of the composition and click a keyframe for the evolution. Then go to the end of the composition and set the evolution to about 3 full evolutions. So it looks like this. Pretty nice watery pattern. And actually we're going to lower the size just a little bit more. That works. The next thing we're going to do is go to the rotation of the white solid and set a keyframe at the beginning of the composition. Then go to the end of the composition and rotate it about 40 degrees. So it slowly rotates as this distortion is taking place. The next thing we're going to do is go back to the white solid and go to Effect, Blur, Fast Blur, and increase it to about 30 and click Repeat Edge Pixels. Then we're going to switch the transfer mode of the solid to Classic Color Dodge. Obviously this is a little bit too bright, so we're going to go to the opacity of the white solid and lower it to about 80. So we get this really nice watery like look on the background layer. Now obviously this effect can be used for many different things. I just happen to have just used it in a new logo of mine for 2009. Really dramatic lighting like thing. And that's basically it. This is effectsfreak. I hope you learned from this tutorial, and I hope to make more soon.